Alright, here is a mass airflow sensor from a 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500 with the 6-liter. It was underreporting by like 30%, so the truck was having a lot of lean conditions and issues with that. What I found is this top resistor here is 150 ohms, the other two are 10, and when you blow on them, very little change on that one. This one, big change. Big change. Here, I'll go on the laptop. Let's see it again. There's bad resistor. Not much. Good resistor. Big changes. Yeah, maybe all a person really has to do is take an ohm meter, really check these, see if they're bad. If there's an easier way to check these mass airflow sensors, but yeah, I'm just reporting my findings. Maybe it'll help the next guy. Have a good one. Sleepy Hollow Repair. Bad. Good. Good.